Hello and welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week we'll highlight 5 new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is the Maverick Pro from Hunter Engineering, which features an ergonomic pick-and-place wheel lift capable of lifting and tilting heavy assemblies in 19.5S up to 175 pounds in one smooth motion. The lift holds position while elevated and lowers automatically. Next is the Ranger by Minpact RB30T truck wheel balancer designed for commercial truck fleets and high-volume tire shops. It features a max capacity of 330 pounds, tire diameters up to 49.25 inches, and widths of up to 20 inches. Our third tool is ESCO's HD Stud and Hub Cleaner, which is a dual-function tool engineered to clean both wheel studs and hub mating surfaces. The next tool is the M18 top-off charger and power supply from Milwaukee Tool, which is the most compact M18 charger, up to 65% smaller than traditional kitted chargers. Finally, our last tool is Associated Equipment's wheeled battery charger and analyzer, which is an all-in-one charger, tester, and analyzer designed for automotive and fleet service. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. If any of these products piqued your interest, just give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured in both our newsletters and print issues by following the links below. See you next week!